Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Python latest version, that is 3.12.5 on Windows 10 or 11 operating system. First go to Python official website, that is python.org. Now click on downloads. See here we have the download Python 3.12.5. For Linux you have to click on this one, for Mac you have to click on here. Okay. So click on download Python 3.12.5. See, once we clicked on, it automatically started downloading. Go to downloads. See, its size is 25.3 megabytes. See, download is completed successfully. It is exe file. Now install Python by clicking on this exe file. Click on it. Select this use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Also select the checkbox, that is add python.exe to path. See here we have two types of installations, one install now and another custom installation. Click on install now. Python installation is straightforward installation. See, Python setup was successful. If you want to disable path length limit, you have to click on this one. Otherwise, close it. Click on close. Now go to start, all applications. Go to the P directory. See here we have the Python 3.12 directory. Click on this idle. See here the version Python 3.12.5. Also open command prompt, cmd, type Python. See, we have installed Python 3.12.5. Okay. Now run the sample Python statements. Print hello world. Hit enter. See, this is the string output. Sum of two numbers. See, it is 5. Subtraction 2 equal to it is true because it is boolean value. A equals to 100, B equals to 200, C equals to A plus B. If you type C, you will get the sum of these two variables. But if you open new Python shell, those values not available. If you type A, you will not get the result. But here if you type A, see, these variables are the specific to particular session. See here name A is not defined. Here also in the command prompt, if you type A, we are unable to find. Now let us create a sample Python file and compile it. Ctrl D to quit. Ctrl G to quit. CLS. Now create a sample Python file. Notepad python1.py is the extension for Python file. Print hello world. Close the parenthesis. A equals to 100, B equals to 200, C equals to B minus A. Print C. Save the file. Then save. Close it. Now run the Python. Then python1.py. Hit enter. See, we got the output. But if you give the A, see, A is not recognized as internal or external command. Still, if you edit again, notepad python1.py, we give A plus B, but I haven't saved it, but if you run the same python 1.py, see, we got the same output. But if you save this file, if you run it again, see, now we got different output. If you go to this path, we will find that file. See, here we have the Python. See, here we have the file with .py extension. From this idle also we can run the file. Open, then go to that path, open the file. See, now run this file, run the module. See, we got the output. Okay, so this is another way of executing the Python file. Again, still if you want, run the file, open file, go to that path, open that py file, that is Python file. Now click on this run or press F5. See, we got the output. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Python 3.12.5 on Windows 10 or 11 operating system. Then we have seen different Python examples. For more Python videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.